In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Google Ads dashboard design. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to effectively manage their online advertising campaigns. So let's dive in and explore this powerful tool step by step. Firstly, the journey begins by opening your web browser and heading to Google Ads, which is accessible via their homepage. You can easily find this by navigating to ads.google.com. This is your gateway to reaching potential customers and expanding your brand visibility online. Once you're on the site, you'll notice various options and a prompt for returning users to sign in. If you already have a Google Ads account, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. This step will ensure that you are ready to explore all the features offered by the new dashboard design. Having quick access to your dashboard is vital, as familiarity with these elements will help you manage your advertising efforts more efficiently. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is essentially the command center for your advertising campaigns. You'll be presented with an overview of your campaigns, performance metrics, and other vital information that can help you make informed decisions. So take a moment here to orient yourself. Next, it's time to focus on the campaign section. You'll need to click on Campaigns, which should be prominently displayed. This section is the heartbeat of your Google Ads account. It's where you can view all your current and past campaigns, initiate new ones, and pause or stop existing ones. It's all about getting a comprehensive view of what you've been working on and what needs attention. Following that, there's a pivotal set of information waiting for you under Insights and Reports. By clicking here, you can dive deep into the analytics. This feature is designed to give you a better understanding of your audience interactions, campaign performance, and areas that could use some improvement. Insights and reports help you make data-driven decisions, which is crucial for optimizing your ad spend and targeting the right users. Finally, let's explore dashboards. By clicking on this section, you'll be able to visualize your data more effectively. Dashboards allow you to customize how information is presented, making it easier to spot trends and adjust strategies accordingly. This customization means you can tailor the view to include the metrics most important to your business goals, so revisit this frequently to ensure your campaigns remain aligned with your objectives. And there you have it, a concise tour of the Google Ads new dashboard design. By understanding these core components, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your advertising efforts and maximizing your return on investment. Thanks for watching, make sure to apply what you've learned today, and happy advertising!